X-Acto knife. Be very careful with this. We don't need that right now.
Hello, everyone. Look, we're finally putting my Warhawk together. What?
Okay. So,
At least we.
What is a Warhawk?
a Warhawk? A Warhawk is a airplane.
Yeah, it's what they use to assist ground infantry.
So like you're gonna make an airplane and then you can go outside and play with it?
No, this is a model plane. You don't fly it.
Okay,
You just put it together and you set it.
Channel. So today.
And of course, my niece is copying me.
Today,
You're a copycat.
No, I'm not.
You're a copycat.
Hold on, this would be.
So I'm going to show you guys
No, I have to
what's
go to mine.
supposed to look like after it's done.
I thought you're supposed to fly it.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like.
Puppy, I thought you were supposed to fly it.
No, not.
For
This is just for decoration.
Yeah.
decoration.
It's different.
It's going on my desk when it's done.
Hold on. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today,
Look, we have our little pilot here.
So today, my uncle is finally getting his airplane or whatever put together. You're not supposed to play with it. That's what they're saying. It's just for decoration.
His arm's attached.
Alright, wait.
Don't touch the arm. It's gotta dry.
I need to.
Don't touch the arm.
I need to give my. I need to give my pilot a call sign. What should I call?
Call sign Chicken Hawk.
Hi guys,
No.
welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today,
Call sign.
Maverick.
finally getting his
Isn't that kind of copycatting?
whatever.
I mean, you could do that.
So
Actually, no. Call sign
check it out.
Cyhawk.
Yes.
Oh no, I know.
My uncle
Call
also
sign
doing
Limbless.
My uncle
Or
is
Limb Man.
also doing a YouTube
Yeah, Limb Man.
video.
That's what
He's also doing
that this guy's called, Limb Man,
um,
because you know he had one limb.
Limb Man. That sounds like the name of a villain on Mega Man.
Okay, then we'll call him call sign. You know what? We'll just call him call sign Buttocks, because he's literally sitting on his butt.
Buttocks?
Call sign Buttocks.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? No, I'll let you guys on my community page decide. Should he be called Buttocks or Maverick? Y'all tell me which one.
If you look here, dude, you see right here? I don't know if
Yeah.
you can see it without a light, but they've got the numbers for the parts that match on here.
I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but
Like that one says 79.
oh, you kind of see it. That's one. Okay, so we have
Part number 79.
6. Oh wait, no. I can't see it. Dang.
He's in our living room right now. Mostly his dad and my grandpa is putting it together right now.
Alright, well, I'm gonna pause this for now. I'm gonna pause.
So,
Okay, so we got the pieces for his chair out.
this is going to go here somehow. See.
The pilot has to be able to go in.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, my uncle is getting his airplane it
that
together.
backwards.
It's not supposed to be played with. It's just for decoration. So far.
That's like your second time recording your video.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. Well, I messed up a bunch of other times. Haven! Now I have to start all over.
What?
They can't
Why?
do that.
Why?
Especially mine. Then they're gonna think I'm a bad vlogger.
No, they're not. Amethyst, do you know what the
Look
quality?
at y'all. Y'all are like pointing cameras at each other.
Amethyst, do you know how poor quality the camera is on my phone?
I can't pause it.
Okay, so look, this goes in here.
Miss Drama Queen.
One of these on each side. And then the thing goes in the middle. So I think I'm safe gluing this, right? Oh, hey. Too much glue. Easy there, buddy. Oh no! Give me a paper towel.
Oh shoot. What, did you get it on something?
Yeah, right there.
What? Oh, right here. Alright. Crisis averted.
That's really not crisis averted, because that's glue. Hey! Stop dribbling!
Yeah, I don't get that. Like, that tube is supposed to stop the glue. It's supposed to, like, slow down on the glue from coming out of the tube.
Can I confess something to you this morning, son?
What?
This afternoon?
What?
I always talked about doing a model like this, but I've never done it. So, first time you, as the wonderful Mr. Miyagi said.
This better not be in my dang room.
You're in the living room? Oh,
Were you in my room?
No, I was in my room. That's my uncle. I don't know if y'all can see him. That's my uncle. Yes, he's doing a video too. But mostly they're making this little airplane thingy. This is what it looks like. So right now, my grandpa
Hey,
is the one.
that's my chair.
Too bad. My grandpa's the one that's putting it together. He's not mostly doing anything.
He's watching. He'll take care of the bigger parts. I'm taking care of these tiny little things because they're very hard to handle. Haven has a little bit of trouble with like manipulating teeny tiny little things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my grandpa. If y'all know him,
It's in my eye.
If
Like.
you know him, he is Damon Rambo. He's a pastor. If y'all know his YouTube channel, go ahead and go to it. But in the description down below, his YouTube channel is gonna be there. So make sure to check it out. But anyways, mostly right now, or so far, my grandpa has gotten the little pilot man done. You can see him.
Hey, don't touch him.
I was touching the head so I could turn it even. Right here. It's still kind of drying because, like, stupid Alexa.
It's not sticking.
No, it's not. It's not fitting together the way it's supposed to.
All I said is play music to Alexa. Okay. Stop music.
Hope this video doesn't get copyrighted.
Why would I get copyrighted, dude?
Because Amethyst was playing music, and I can get copyrighted.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can actually.
You can actually, but
Like, one of my videos has actually has copyright music. Thankfully, my channel isn't monetized, and it probably never will be.
It turned off the kitchen light.
Mm. Mm. There we go.
It's kind of crooked.
I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Thanks, Peter Golan, aka Optimus Prime. Wait, is that his name? The actor's
Peter
name?
Cullen.
Yeah, Peter Cullen.
I have to do this again.
Okay, that's good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Girl Power 829. So today, my uncle is
Two
getting his
pieces.
Look at it.
jet back
Alright,
together.
So, next.
Or not back together, just
Gear
together
shift
now. Sorry, my uncle's also making a video. Oh, I can't see right there. Haven Rambo. Stop. But he's
No.
getting like a little jet or whatever together, and it's just for decoration. They're saying. I don't know if it actually is just for decoration or they're just saying it is.
It is just for decoration. You just put it together and you set it down.
There you go, I guess so. I thought it was mostly for playing with.
You don't play with model airplanes.
But this is what we have so far done.
We? You mean him?
Shut up. It's like a little pilot. It's a little pilot. It's still kind of drying. Its arm. What is it? This arm? That had to get put on?
Don't touch the arm. Don't touch the arm.
Don't touch it, boss.
Not that arm right there. I don't know. I think it is. Here's my grandpa. He put in the small stuff together. He's putting the what? What is that? Oh, the seat. Okay, he's putting the seat together. Shoot, dude! What the heck?
What are you trying to do?
I don't know. What happened? Just ruined it. Again. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Girl Power 829. So today, my uncle is getting his jet or whatever put together.
An A10 Warhawk is not a jet.
Whatever, Haven. Airplane. But
It is
I
a
think-
jet.
I think what people need to realize is that the difference between A10 Warhawk and a fighter jet is that A10 Warhogs clear the playing field. It's not really built for
I don't care
dogfights.
about Alexa. You're making my freaking videos mess up.
Listen, it's not a fighter jet, Haven, but it's still a jet, dude.
Can I please use your phone?
It's not a prop plane. No, you're not using my phone.
Why?
Cause
My television's
No.
not working.
Fighter jets, on the other hand, like the F-22 Raptor, is made for dogfighting, for clearing the skies. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to wrap this video up because we are 14 minutes and 15 seconds in, and this is all we have accomplished. Maybe I'll record another video after this one. So, yeah, y'all like and subscribe if y'all want to see the A10 Warhawk get done. And y'all vote on the poll in the community page what this little guy should be called. Yeah. See y'all next time.